This onion processing line is located at our customer Agro Panquehue in Malo, near the capital of Chile. Through our Chilean dealer Certa, we came into contact with the customer, and at the beginning of 2024 we installed a weigher with a semi-automatic bagger. After a year of strong production and yield, they decided to also invest in a fully automatic palletizer with a wrapper. Before the installation of our packaging line, everything was packed manually, making the operation heavily dependent on reliable workers. With the installation of our multi-head weigher, semi-automatic bagger, and palletizer with wrapper, the process became significantly less labor-intensive while also increasing performance and uptime. In this line, they pack only 20 kilograms yellow onions in mesh bags, which are closed with a sewing head. After stacking, the product is shipped to many countries, mainly in North and South America and Europe. We recently visited Agro Panquehue to see how everything is running, and took the opportunity to record a few shots of the machines in production. Great to see that everything is running smoothly, allowing our customer to recoup the investment relatively quickly and without too many difficulties. If you are interested in any of the machinery shown, or in weighing, packaging, and palletizing solutions in general, feel free to reach out. We are happy to help.